Welcome back to Chef and Taste. Today I am showing you how to make restaurant-style crispy veg cutlets in just 30 minutes. These golden crunchy cutlets are perfect as a tea time snack or party starter. Let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium flame. Add 1 inch of finely chopped ginger and 2 green chilies, finely chopped. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Now add 2 medium onions, finely chopped, and 1/4 cup of boiled green peas. Saute till the onions turn soft and translucent. This sweetness is the foundation of our cutlet. Time to add our colorful vegetables. In go 1/4 cup sprouts, 1/4 cup finely chopped beans, 1/4 cup chopped carrot, 1/4 cup boiled cauliflower, and 1/2 cup chopped beetroot. The beetroot not only adds nutrition but gives a beautiful color to our cutlets. Mix everything well. Add salt as per taste. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame till the vegetables are cooked but still have a slight crunch. This texture makes all the difference. Now for the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice for that tangy kick. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1/4 cup fresh coriander leaves. Mix all the spices thoroughly so every vegetable is coated with these beautiful flavors. Add 3 boiled and smashed potatoes. The potato acts as our binding agent, holding everything together perfectly, just like how you hold our Chef and Taste family together. If you're enjoying this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your foodie friends. Your support keeps us cooking. While our mixture cools, let's prepare the coating. Take 1 cup of breadcrumbs and roast them on low flame till they become golden and crunchy. This roasting step is a pro tip. It ensures extra crispiness. Turn off the flame and let them cool. Once the vegetable mixture has cooled, add 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. This adds a delicious stretchy, cheesy center that everyone loves. For another perfect tea time snack, try our most loved cheese sandwich recipe. Link is at the top right corner. Now take a portion of the mixture and shape it into round cutlets, or any shape you prefer: oval, flat rounds, or even heart shapes for kids. The mixture should be firm enough to hold its shape. Let's prepare our coating batter. Take 1/2 cup maida, add 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Gradually add water to make a thin, smooth batter. It should coat the back of a spoon lightly. This thin consistency is key for a crispy coating. Now comes the important part. First, dip each cutlet in the maida slurry, coating it completely. Then immediately roll it in the roasted breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumbs stick well. This double coating gives you that perfect crunch. Place all coated cutlets in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. This helps the coating set and prevents it from falling off while frying. Heat oil for frying on medium flame. Gently slide in the cutlets and fry till they turn golden brown on both sides. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give them space to crisp up beautifully. Listen to that satisfying sizzle. Look at that gorgeous golden color. Serve hot with ketchup or green chutney. See how wonderfully crunchy the outer layer is, while the inside remains soft and flavorful. If you loved this crispy veg cutlet recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Chef and Taste for more delicious recipes every week. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out. Happy cooking!